Hello and welcome back to Collagraph class. This time we are diving into expansive landscapes. I just cannot tell you how exciting this is. But yes I can. Okay, let's try. Collagraph printmaking is a really fun and easy way to create art, and you can do it at home. It combines collage and printmaking. Yes, in this class we are going to make our own landscape collage made from bits and bobs that we find around the house. We're going to turn it into our own collagraph plate, which we can take prints from again and again and again. We'll be taking inspiration from landscape photographs and interpreting them through textures to create our own unique prints.
Landscapes surround us, inspire us, and are filled to the brim with texture. How exciting then to be able to create our own arty landscapes with just as much texture. Building a collagraph plate feels, to me, a bit like sculpting, and feeling a landscape grow and expand under my hands, upwards and outwards, is super satisfying.
I am so excited to be your art buddy today, helping you to explore these new techniques and encouraging you to know that you can do it. My name is Gemma. I'm so happy to be your collagraph guide today. I'm an artist maker and I love to make lots of things in lots of ways. I believe that learning lots of different techniques and tools throughout your arty practice helps us to problem solve creatively and expands our opportunities. From making puppets and props to exploring printmaking and surface design, I have been on my own artistic adventure for a good while now. And I can vouch for the fact that everything you learn leads to new thoughts, new ideas and new creative excitements. My online home is gemmathepen.com, where you can find my blog, my Instagram link, my shops and links to my YouTube channel where I create free arty videos. If you're in my corner of the internet at any time, please do pop by, say hi. So, are you ready to collagraph? Let's get started.